Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The best part, though, is some of them are on flash sale, so you need to run to our website to get that flash sale because it's amazing. The first thing I'm going to show you, and I can't wait to demo this on my next crafting corner, is our newest wax seal set. This is like a double set, so those of you that already have the handles, you're not buying any more handles. You are getting 10 wax seal sticks, which is really nice. So you're getting gold, which is gorgeous, and purple, which I love. And you are getting a fun little bow and a little snail. Get it? Snail mail. Perfect, right? Now, this bow is perfect for the next item I'm going to show you. Are you ready? Get set. It is a purse die. I know. Now, keep in mind, my friends, I got to tell you this right now. This is limited edition. We are not going to restock this. Every once in a while, we like to do limited editions. This is one of them. Once it's gone forever. Okay, so make sure you check this out. Now, it's a funny looking die. It has all these extra layering pieces and some fun hearts. But what you're going to do with it is make these cute little boxes. And I'm going to show it to you in just a second. There's lots of different ways you can do them. Look, they're totally different, but I love it. It has a little handle. I'll show you those in just a minute. Last but not least, we have some inside scalloped, gorgeous slimline dies. Now, you've probably seen a couple sneak peeks on this throughout the month because my design team used it in all of their samples, which I love. So let's jump in and look at those samples first because it's important that you see them. So here's one, good luck today. Isn't that awesome with those fun frames? This is using 2 frames. It comes with 3. This is using just the 1 frame. Look at how cute those are. Ladybugs on both, but totally different, right? Isn't that fun? Ooh, or you can use 3 of them, pop them up, and make them nest like this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Oh, look at this one. Or pop up the whole frame and make it look like framed artwork. Isn't that awesome? Now, here's one. Oh, with our mom, our new mom. Isn't that cute? I love that. Isn't that cute? I love that. And that's a little shaker card, which is so fun. Open that up. Ooh, using the inside die. So this is not it. Okay, this is weird to explain. Die cut this frame, right? Die cut this frame. The inside is technically what you would put in your scrap folder or whatever, or throw it away, whatever. But no, put it on the inside. Whoa! Bonus! Bonus! Ding, 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 bonus! Which is really fun, right? Now, here's another one. Oh, remember our beautiful butterfly edge card is my favorite. Ready? Wait for it, wait for it. It's on the inside. Decorate the insides, my friends. They're just as exciting as the outside. Now, let's look at the purse. So here we go. Here's the cute purse. Let me take one apart for you so I can show it to you. So here it is. You're going to die cut it, right? Just die cut it normal. This one's die cut out of guava. And it has all the layering pieces on top. What you're going to do is fold it on all the score lines. Bring those triangles in, right? You're going to bring those triangles in. Bring this up. Bring this one up. And it has this cute little flap. You are going to put that over it. And then you're going to tuck that in that little tiny notch. And you can bring these out more if you want to, just like that, or you can push them in and they can go in like that. It's up to you. You can decide how much or how little as they go out. They're kind of designed to pop out because they stop. See how it stops? Now, if you want it to stay closed more, I mean, like right now it's staying closed. This is fine. It's perfect. It's great. Sometimes, you know, if you're really rough with it or you're moving it around a lot and, you know, you're like that, you might want to add, and let me see. Oh, that one's already glued, but look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Here's another one. Oh, here, I can do it on this one. So this one, I can open it up and I can go, oh, look how cute. Oh, this one's glued. Is it? Oh, there. Oh, look, this one's glued like this. You could have like really good stuff in there. But what you can do is add a little adhesive to the bottom of the flap. And then when you fold it over, it will stay. So that's an option too if you need it, okay? But look at how cute these little, imagine for a bridal shower or a baby shower or just a little something, something. So adorable. I love it. It's so cute. So many different options. You're going to have fun with that one. Again, that one also is limited edition, my friends. So if you love it, it's on flash sale. Go get it now because once it's gone, it's gone. Don't email Faylene and ask her to bring it back. She can't. Okay, my friends, go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.